here we got a Viking style beer mug. That's an awesome, cool design in the Viking style. It's a great piece of art, and it's a good gift, or even fun to keep around your home bar. Brings the Viking style home to your beer drinking experience, and it's a pretty good looking art piece as well. So the outer layer material feels like wood, and the inner layer is made of 316L food grade stainless steel. The paint is 100% harmless to the human body. The cup size top is 4 inches and the bottom is 4.7 inch wide, and the total height is 6 inches. The capacity is 20 ounces. So a full cup is equivalent to 2 cans of beer. This is a beer mug for real men. This has a look of real craftsmanship, and it's handmade. It's great for get-togethers with friends, celebrations, even watching your favorite Viking movie. So add this to your collection or start a new collection with this Viking beer mug.